How to increase Snap score in Snapchat. So if you want to increase your Snap score in Snapchat, then what you need to do is first open up your Snapchat application. Once you open your Snapchat, now you can simply go for your chat, which is on the bottom left, or you can simply go for the camera icon, which is on the middle bottom of your screen. And once you're here on the Snapchat camera, you need to simply take a snap. And once you've taken a snap, now if you want to increase your Snap score, so for example, you can simply tap on send, which is on the bottom right, and then you can send this to your friends. And once you've sent, now you can go for the profile, which is on the upper left, and here you can check your snap score before sending the snap and after sending the snap. So if you want to increase your snap score, you need to simply send the snaps regularly or daily to your friends, and in return you should also receive some snaps from your friends. So if you have the exchange of snaps in your Snapchat, then your snap score will be increased. So that's how you can increase the snap score. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.